Multi-time frame analysis using the HEIKIN-ASHI. I've got two different chart setups I want to show you. This one is a 1 minute chart with a 5 minute and a 15 minute for a higher time frame. And this is a 15 minute chart with a 60 minute and a 240 minute for the higher time frames. And let me just start by saying this is not financial advice. I'm just sharing some of the things that I've found helpful along the way in my trading journey. If you want to see how I'm using these concepts in my day-to-day live trading, there are plenty of other live trading videos on the channel. Always do your own research and your own back testing. I am absolutely gay and retarded. My pronouns are gay and retarded, and you need to respect my pronouns. With that being said, let's have a look at the charts. I will show you all the settings towards the end of the video, but right now, let's just have a quick look-see here. 1 minute time frame. It's green at the open. 5 minute is green. The 15 minute is green. So I'm just looking for a breakout above any recent highs. Here we get the breakout. Very nice move up over 200 points. Here's another long signal on the 1 minute at 10:21. Looking for the breakout higher. Pops up another 50 points up to yesterday's high. And it's after 10:30 when I'm done trading. I'm just looking for these trade setups during the first hour of the New York Open. Let's go back to the next day. Here's the previous day New York Open. Green on the 1 minute, green on the 5 minute, green on the 15 minute. Nice push up. Another long opportunity here. Another long opportunity here. Then it's after 10:30, done for the day. Let's go back to the day before that. Here we are at the New York Open. Red, green, green. It's a mixed bag. No trade yet. We're waiting until all three time frames line up. Here at 9:41, we get green HEIKIN-ASHI on the 1 minute. We're green on the 5, green on the 15. Looking for a break above this entry candle. If we take the breakout, pop up over 60 points. Here's another trade at 10 o'clock. If we take the break above, pop up 50 points to yesterday's open. Here's another long signal. We're buttoned up right against the R1 pivot. We do not break any higher, no trade. Had another trade that worked out, but it's after 10:30. Let's go back one more day. Here's the market open. We're green on the 1 minute, but we're red on the 5 minute. We're red on the 15 minute. We're waiting for all three time frames to be in alignment. Here's our 1 minute HEIKIN-ASHI turning red. We're red across the board. Got a nice 180 point move down. There were some other shorting opportunities later in the day, but this is after 10:30. I'm done for the day. And I think that's all the days that I have loaded on this chart. Let's go to the higher time frame chart. This is a 15 minute chart on the main chart. And then I've got a 60 minute chart down here and a 240 minute chart down below. Here's 9:30. Green on the 15 minute HEIKIN-ASHI, green on the 60 minute, green on the 4 hour. Looking for a break above. We have a huge move to the upside, right up to yesterday's high. Here's the previous day, 9:30. Green HEIKIN-ASHI, green HEIKIN-ASHI, green HEIKIN-ASHI. Looking for a break above. We pop up over 150 points in 45 minutes. Let's have a look at the day before. Here we are at 9:30. 15 minute is green, 60 minute is green, 4 hour chart is red. Later on in the afternoon and the overnight session, all three time frames are green. We get a couple more nice long pushes. And here's the day before, 9:30. Red HEIKIN-ASHI on the 15, red on the 60 minute, red on the 240 minute. Taking the break below, huge move to the downside. So lots of different possible combinations. I really like the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15 minute. It's possible to use it on higher time frames. You could also load up a 1 minute, a 2 minute, and a 3 minute, or a 15-second chart, and a 1 minute, and a 3 minute. Lots of possible time frame combo options. So let me show you how I have things set up. On this chart, I've got an NQ 1 minute, a 5 minute, and a 15 minute loaded on my data series. I've got everything centered to price on scale. For the indicator setup, I've got the MMT Ultimate HEIKIN-ASHI, which is a very magical indicator that I created to see the HEIKIN-ASHI trend on the regular candlesticks. And on this occasion, I am only using the HEIKIN-ASHI trend feature. There are many other HEIKIN-ASHI features to choose from on this indicator. I am only using the trend. default settings with a trend change strength of 1. I've got it painting the bars, the outline. I've got it painting a signal with an arrow. I've also got it painting the background. And these are the same exact settings for all 3 instances. I am using a custom input. I'm using a custom input of the SMA, a period of 9. So this is like a 9-period SMA and the HEIKIN-ASHI coming together in holy union and having a baby right on your chart. For the input series, I've got the 1 minute. Then you can see down here, I've got 2 other instances of the MMT Ultimate HEIKIN-ASHI. One with an input series of the 5-minute chart and another with an input series of the 15-minute. And I've got all of these calculating on each tick. So live in real time as the price is changing, you can see what state the HEIKIN-ASHI is in. I've also got VWAP on the chart. I've got my favorite 20-period SMA. Got the pivot points. So a very simple setup, completely based off of HEIKIN-ASHI, smoothed out with a 9-period SMA, using multi-time frame analysis. One of the many ways that you can use the MMT tools. There are links in the description if you're interested in learning more. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, they all have great deals going on. And anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely amazing. Greatly appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.